Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Ethics class. Friends, in this video, we are going to discuss the topic of contempt by judges. You all know what is contempt. Contempt means the offense of being disobedient or having disrespectful attitude toward the court, and there are civil contempts as well as criminal contempts also. Normally, contempt action will be taken against the advocates, against the public officers. And please remember, judges are also not immune from contempt. That means, according to Section 16 of the Contempt of the Courts Act, the section deals with contempt by judges, magistrates, or other person acting officially, acting judicially, we can say, acting judicially. So, that means to say that judges are also liable for the contempt of the court for his own action in his own court or in his other court also. That is in the same manner as the others like advocates, they can be dealt with. But here, section 16, there is another clause saying that any remarks on the subordinate judiciary, they cannot be taken as contempt. That means, suppose if somebody, some district judge writes some report against the lower judiciary, lower magistrate, stating that he is so and so, he cannot do that. It cannot amount to contempt. Now we are going to discuss an important case. Contempt by judges. Classic case, Justice Karnan case. Justice Cs Karnan. So please remember, so this case you can read as Justice Cs Karnan versus Honble Supreme Court of India 2017. So Justice Karnan, right from the beginning of his appointment as a High Court judge, he has been controversial. He issued controversial judgments. He delivered controversial judgments. Of course, since it is a judicial activity, we cannot comment upon. Secondly, he used to level allegations against the Chief Justice of Madras High Court. I think maybe Sanjay Krishna Kaur, I don't remember his name. So he used to level allegations that this man, that judge is, Chief Justice is pampering only certain types of advocates, and since he being a Dalit, he is looked into badly. And also alleged that the other advocates, some judge, he has been appointed with the fake documents, and he sent reports to the SC/ST Commission stating that he is being looked down by the other judges. So a lot of allegations, a lot of controversies in his life. Ultimately, he was transferred to Calcutta High Court and no administrative action was there. He used to simply sit there and he will get the salary. That is the punishment given to him. Of course, he was transferred to Calcutta High Court. And as regard the activities, as regard the contemptuous activities as Madras High Court judge, so action was initiated by the 7 judges bench of the Supreme Court of India. They were given a notice for his appearance. They asked him to come and appear before the disciplinary committee on so-and-so date in Delhi. He said, why should I come? Using the powers as the High Court judge, he issued warrants against the 7 judges of the Supreme Court. Will anybody keep quiet? Ultimately, the result is contempt against him proved. He was given 6 months jail and also 2,000 rupees fine. Learning this, of course, in the meantime, he retired. Learning this, he escaped from Calcutta. Ultimately, after a few years, I can say, he was arrested in Madras. He suffered the jail, just like so. Why should he go to that extent? Classic case of criminal contempt. So ultimately, the lesson you have to learn is that's why the word justice is added before the name. You must be fair. You must be impartial. No doubt, if at all any grievance is there, you have to inform the Chief Justice of India, not to the SC/ST Commission. This is the stand taken by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in this particular case. So, very, of course, we can say infamous case, not famous case, but landmark judgment on the contempt by judges. So what you have to learn is judges are also not immune. Normally, I told you, Judges Protection Act. But here they are not immune under Contempt of the Courts Act. Of course, you know the constitutional provisions. So, Article 142 and 259 for High Court, they are courts of record. They can take contempt action itself also. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.